What's up, son? Will you help him black out the pillars on this so we can get this car done too? Because we need it over in tint like ASAP.
You see that? You see what happens? You're really good at your job. You get to help other people do their job.
No, you get more opportunity.
Opportunity to help people do their job. The difference is it's more work for me.
Doesn't it make you feel good though?
Not really.
You're being like a superhero.
Not really.
Dude, we're gonna call you, you know, like Anton Man.
Anton, man. I don't like it. This doesn't sound nice.
One shot, now the future is yours. Go! Yeah, I was building on the lecture. Verses coming daily under pressure. Working on the plot and the scheme. The true style trademark is at the edge of your dreams. I'm talking one.
You okay, man? Dude, the last few days, everyone on camera has been talking about, no Hugo, Hugo's gone. Adrian kept saying, Papa's not here.
That's the only way you can take some time off from work. Yeah, I was sick. I had the flu.
His vacation's over. That was his vacation, guys.
Yeah,
it's over now.
that's-
He used all his PTO.
Yes, no more holidays.
No more holidays. Now he's gonna be working through Christmas. How's your morning going?
I just got here. It's going great.
What are we doing to this one?
Okay, so this is the Juniper Model Y. This is the one our customer picked up, and he takes priority over my car, so we're gonna do a full wrap on this car using ULTRAFIT Retro Matte, which is like a matte PPF that has it's more of a satin PPF, so it's got a really cool satin finish on it. Looks great on white. We're gonna finish it off with a ceramic coating. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to show it.
I like the plaids. I think that's one, right?
It's not a plan.
Oh, I thought that's what that sign was. What is it?
It's a launch.
A lawn? Well, personally, I like diesel and gas cars. What's all that electric stuff?
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's gonna go retro matte.
Oh, nice.
Like the box of films over there, and we just gotta get it cut out.
It's gonna look nice. I'm excited.
Satin white.
It's pretty cool. You know, I'm actually really curious to get to look underneath it. Well, Joe wanted to do some crazy stuff with his,
Oh, he
and
does.
I actually don't know what the differences are to like the previous.
All right, when Joe's go to your shop, we'll have to get.
Yeah, I want to put it up on the rack. And have a good day, guys.
Morning. How's your morning going? How you doing?
So what time everybody gets to work at video or what?
Yeah.
Good morning.
How's it going?
Good. The sun is out, so we always appreciate that.
Thank you, Drew, for the 3 seconds of B-roll of your back. Thank you.
I see these girls, they look miserable. It's cold, their mom's standing there, and I was like, oh, you guys look like you're having a horrible day. And they're like, it's so cold out here. And I was like, okay, how many cookies you guys got left? Well, if you sell all your cookies, can you go home? And they're like, hey, they looked at their mom, and their mom was like, yeah. And I was like, oh, how many cookies you got left? And she was like, 14 cases? I was like, okay, I'll buy them all. I have a favor, can you drop them off at my shop though? I'm here at Fremont. Like, I'll pay for them right now, but I don't have room for them. I was sorry, my Corvette. And they were like, okay. Yeah, so they emailed this year. They're like, hey, Mr. Joe, we're selling Girl Scout cookies again. And I was like, all right, just bring me 1 case of each.
That's funny.
We have. What did I write it to?
From afar is Joe writing a check for all these cookies.
Yeah, look at this card. It's very sweet. It gave me chills when I read it. It made me very happy. Thanks, girls.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Aww, this is so
Sweet,
cute.
right? Look.
Thank you. Bye.
That's legit. That's
Yeah.
legit.
So
Damn.
we have cookies for whoever wants them.
Yeah, you know, really light haul. We got the adventure folds. We got the peanut butter sandwich. We got the peanut butter patties because we gotta have both. We got the best. Real ones know that these are Samoas, but I guess come with the lights.
Oh, they were
And Thin Mints.
It's, you copy and paste that exact same thing. Exact same thing. Do you think I can flex it all on my arm?
I think you can. There we go. She's stacked.
Whoa.
She's stacked.
Whoa! You have to hold it like...
It's a trap.
Can you tell me what's special about what's behind you?
Ferrari's first SUV. So let me see if I'm saying this right. Purosangue. It's called a Purosangue, which in Italian apparently means SUV horse. No, just kidding. I don't know what it means. It means SUV horse. That's my assumption. I'm just gonna. Here's coddling. So, Emily, if she stubs her toe, it says "ow." I go run and grab her and pick her up, and I'm like, "Oh my God, are you okay, honey?" That's coddling. You're like, but she was totally fine, right? It was a very minor thing. Thomas, when he falls on face for else on the ground, I step over him and tell him to be a man and get up.
Just came here to take your bath, get free drinks with all of her friends, blow your mind every time she dance. Ooh, shake it for a flight to France. You never really stood a chance. Ain't got enough stairs to get in her pants.
Is there any room for this car next store?
We're running out of room. How many cars do we have here, Joe? Do you know?
I think it's 29. Yeah, so it feels like 29. I usually can tell. It would help if they weren't so big. There's so many huge cars here, like Cybertrucks and Rivians and stuff.
But I heard you like them big.
That's what they said. You know, it's like it's not that big of a deal. Like, we can get all the work done. We just run out of space all the time. Makes it annoying to move cars around.
Don't forget, we're also a storage facility.
How many cars are being stored here?
People are like leave the cars here, and they're like, "Oh, I'll be back tomorrow."
That's true. A few people said they were going out of town, right? Yeah, we're gonna get some cars out here today, though. I feel like a bunch of cars are gonna leave, right? I saw a big red list going out. So instead of standing here talking to the camera for Alex's TV show, this is pretty awesome so far. I should probably be doing work and helping getting these cars out. You do your thing in the office. I'll do my thing in the shop. I got this. Hoorah! I'm not in the military. I don't know why I said that.
We have 25. No.
A for effort.
A for effort.
A for effort for Joe.
Yeah. Joe.
Till next time.
Joe, you've been a great student. Maybe we need help with numbers, but you've been a great student.
Ryan took his sweet time, and so now I have to stay late to finish this vehicle so the delivery is on time. So whenever you get this, know that this was all Ryan's fault, and he is one of the slowest PPF installers I've ever seen. And there's a bubble right here. Can you believe that? Like, now I have to stay until midnight and stay away from my family and friends and life and just keep working. Might as well call me Hugo. Is that good enough?
Ryan's gonna be like, what the?
Yeah.
Hey, it's Misa
And Jerry.
with OCDetailing.
And here's episode 3 of The Life.
And so Justice and Drew agree that those are the best ones. But I pointed out over here, if you come over to our beautiful stand, the lemonades, they're the ones that we have in highest abundance because nobody wants them. Because notice that the Thin Mints are gone? Yeah, because they're the best. Notice we only have 3 of the Samoas or the Caramel Delight stuff? Yeah, because they're the best. But we still have an abundance of the shortbread and the lemonades. Case closed. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Jerry from OCDetailing from OCDetailing News. Now Ryan, you've been in the shop for more than a decade? A decade. How's it like having another Wasian join the team?
It's pretty cool. We're gonna team up and take over.
Definitely. In what aspect?
Taking over the world. Like I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Alex, you gotta bleep that out. How is it like seeing Adrian grow from a detailer to now a trainee under Hugo's watch?
It's great. More people installing film, more better.
How do you feel growing in this shop?
I love it. I love putting in the hard work, learning new stuff.
Do you think your brother will follow your path here?
100%.
There's the pressure, guys. In the previous episode, we talked about how Jesse took your throne as White Menace of the Month, and just recently, Misa kind of dissed you for liking lemonade stuff. How can you redeem yourself?
Going on a journey, guys. I have a good answer for right now. All my focus is that everybody else put me in a bad situation, and I'm trying to make the best of it. So positive attitude.
When life gives you lemons, you make what?
Lemonade.
Exactly. Exactly. That's his redeeming factor. Right behind me, I got the manpower. Do you know what the mitochondria of a cell is? Like, he's the powerhouse of a cell. So Alex, how is it like being the powerhouse of OCDetailing?
Fantastic.
So Alex, beyond managing 2 girls in a shop that are, you know, fresh out of college and young and silly, how's it like managing how many guys in the shop? How many
Equal. Equal? It's equal.
So the 2 girls are the same as the all the the owner Joe. 안녕하세요. Are you learning Korean?
I'm trying.
And how is that so far?
Brutal.
Are you gonna come back dictating us in Korean?
Just because it's funny, yes.
Shout out to Joy and Jason for teaching him the language.
Same, but different. Same, but different.
This is this thing. Kind of makes me sad.
I've never imagined something like that.
Just like the whole like refresh, like not a refresh, a whole redesign.
But do you know how much it saved on cost? Keeping same?
Same, but different.